That's completely unreasonable.
If you want to fight, I can get you boxing gloves, but we're not here for that. My first case ever with worms.
Come here, Sophie. Get him, Rusty.
Can I say something?
No. If she hadn't had an oral agreement, how do you do?
The Animal Court is now in session. The Honorable Joseph A. Wapner, judge presiding.
I know you've all been sworn. I have read your complaint, sir. You claim that the defendant's dog bit you?
Yes, sir.
Where did this happen, sir?
While I was jogging.
Where?
I live in San Jose, and I have about a 4-block distance that I run around, and I'm on the sidewalk. This happened on July the 7th, I believe it was. And I saw the dogs, and I saw that he had 2 dogs, and I saw the leash.
Is this the dog?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You saw the leash?
I saw that they were on leashes, okay?
Yeah.
Now, I've been jogging for a little over 50 years, and I've come against dogs.
You started when you were 5?
When I was 14.
Oh.
I'm 64.
I was only making a joke, and you're being
I'll
serious.
I'll laugh.
Okay, all right, 64.
And I've come up against dogs with and without leashes, without the owners, and I've never been attacked before until this time.
What part of your anatomy was bitten?
Right here. You want to see it? I have photos.
I'd rather see the photos,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir. There's 2 of them, and I circled.
Have you seen these, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
I circled where the dog bit me.
Bit you twice?
Once a bite, and the small one in the bottom is where I believe his paw got to me. Now, the one on the bottom is gone now, but I do have the scar, and that's what I'll expose if you want me to.
How long is the scar?
It's about an inch and a half.
Does it interfere with anything that you do?
No, sir. Not at all.
Okay. Did you see a doctor?
Yes, sir.
You have a report from the
Yes,
doctor?
sir. That's medical, and these are the bills for the doctor. I went to the emergency, and a few days later, I then went to my doctor for a follow-on checkup, and he said everything was feeling pretty well. But I'll continue here. What happened is I saw that the dogs, there was 2 dogs, they were both on leashes, and I assumed, like I have in the past, that the owner would rein in on the leashes. He didn't. And as I came by, the dog leapt at me, and it grabbed me, and it did tear my shirt. It went through my shorts and my skivvies, and it did lacerate my buttocks. I looked, and I couldn't see anything because of the position of the bite. So what I did is I expected him to say something, and he said, but 2 things. The first thing he said, "Oh, he got you." And then the second thing he said was, he was just trying to be friendly.
Hey, stop it.
He was just trying to be friendly, was the second thing he said. He didn't say anything else. He didn't offer his name. He didn't ask me my name.
All right, let's leave it at there for a moment, sir. You remember having the 2 dogs on a leash, sir?
Yes, sir.
You remember this gentleman jogging by?
Yes, I do.
What happened?
I was talking to my neighbor, and just out of the corner of my eye, and he jumped up. He gets me something. He's friendly. He jumps up in his claws to get people. I think that's what happened to him. I don't think one little mark is consistent with the bite. Dogs have teeth top and bottom. If they bit, I think it would have got in deep and made 2 cuts, not just one little straight line. He's got my daughter, he's got my son by jumping up. His nails, they're both sharp, and we try to break them of it, but it's kind of hard to do.
So you knew he's done this before?
Just to us.
Did you have any pain from this?
Oh, yes, sir. That was with me for about a week to 10 days.
Okay, a week or 10 days?
Yes, sir.
All right, how much is a week or 10 days? Was it constant pain?
Well, if I bump up against something or if I sit down.
Constant pain?
No, sir.
Anything else, sir?
My dog come in contact, but I'm contending I don't believe he bit him. I think it was just his claws.
Take a short recess. I'll be back with my decision.
Remain seated and come to order. This court is again in session.
Well, if there was a dog bite here, then there's no question about the fact that the defendant would be liable, because the statute says there's strict liability if a dog bites someone else. I've looked at those pictures very carefully, and I read all of your documents that you've given me. And there's nothing in any of the papers you've given me by any doctor. The only thing I have to indicate anything about a dog bite is a form that the medical center emergency treatment department gave you, which says animal bites. Animals that are sick with rabies and so forth are likely to bite people. Make sure that the animal that bit you, keep track of it for 10 days. But that could have been that you came in and said, I had a dog bite. It doesn't say as a doctor, I examined Mr. Cortez, and I examined him, and I found that on his body was a dog bite. There's nothing other than what plaintiff has told me, and I looked at the pictures, as I said, very closely. I can't see a dog bite. I think it's what the defendant says. The dog came like this with his claws, ripped the clothing, and made a mark on the buttocks. But I don't think it's a dog bite. Then what do we have? Were the dogs on a leash? Plaintiff says yes, they were on a leash. But he, in running, assumed. And that word really should be taken out of the English dictionary. It certainly should be taken out of use by people. You assume something is going to happen, or you assume that someone will do something. So I don't see any liability on the part of the defendant in any way. There's not a dog bite, and I don't think that there's no violation of the leash law. The dog was on a leash. If anything, there would be, if the defendant were negligent, there would be comparative negligence on the part of the plaintiff for assuming the risk by running directly at the dog. Judgment is for the defendant.
No, he lied. He lied. He saw him bite me. He saw me grab myself.
I don't think he bit him, no. I think when I said he got you, what I meant was his claws. He's got us before. Usually when I see somebody coming, I do, because he jumps on him. But I thought he'll go a little bit further away, and I thought it wasn't enough slack in there for him to get to him. Then we got him. When I said he got you, I'm sorry, it was a claw. If he asked my name, I would have given it to him. When he just shook his head in disgust and walked off, well.
You didn't even say, are you hurt? You didn't say anything at all. You said two things. Oh, he got you. You said that, and then you said, he was only trying to be friendly. Friendly, hell, he took a bite out of me. Most owners do when they have a dog and they see me, they tend to tighten up on the leash, they'll bring in the animal, and just courtesy, they'll place themselves between the animal and myself. He made no attempt to do anything like this at all.